Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change language in Tradingview. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Tradingview, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the language allows users to access TradingView's interface, chart tools, and educational resources in their preferred language. Now, this accessibility is crucial for traders who are more comfortable or proficient in a language other than the default language of their TradingView platform. For you to be able to change the language here, all you're gonna do is go to the products, click on Super Charts, and choose the chart of your choice. Once you are here, I need you to go to the upper left corner. You see the options here where it says your profile picture. Click on it, and from here you can just simply choose the language that you wanted. For example, I'm going to be using Parla Italiano. There you go. Or if you wanted, see, you see the changes have been effective immediately. Go again to the lingua for Italiano, for Portuguese, and a lot more. Bahasa Indonesia, habla Español, parla Francais, and Deutsch. But for now, I'm using the English standard language. Now, here, using the language you are fluent enhances your ability to navigate the platform effectively. It ensures that you can easily find and utilize features, settings, and tools without the language barriers. For example, you have a client which is based on the on France. It's a French speaker client. The thing is going to be, and he gave you access to his account. The problem is you're having hard time getting the testings here. For example, he sent you a training video for you to follow, and you can't seem to understand and process all the information because you're not comfortable to the language. But with the option to change your language here to the language you're fluent, it enhances your ability to navigate the platform effectively, right? It ensures that you can easily find and utilize features, settings, and tools without the language barriers, of course, hindering your interaction. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.